Welcome to the Mining Newsflash at Commodity TV with Torq Resources, Skeena Resources, Fury and Victoria Gold. Torq Resources successfully acquired an option to earn a 100% interest in the Andrea copper porphyry project in northern Chile, 100 kilometers east of the town La Serena. The property is located on the western edge of the Miocene El Indio belt, which hosts world-class epithermal gold and silver deposits like El Indio or Barrick Gold's Pascualama mine. This belt was extensively explored for epithermal precious metal deposits in the 1980s and 1990s, but remains very underexplored for copper porphyry systems. This is the second acquisition this year and is important to fill the company's portfolio with high-yielding copper and gold projects. Exploration at the Margarita Copper Gold Project and now at Andrea is expected to progress rapidly with drilling, which should lead to a strong news flow then. Skeena Resources announced very good drill results from the Albino Waste Facility or AWF on SK Creek. This initial survey totaling 190 meters was completed in March 2021 using an air rotary rig from the ice surface of AWF. As a result from the first 4 of 8 holes showed results around 4 grams of gold and additional 127 up to 204 grams silver per ton over 16 to nearly 23 meter long intervals. Located west of the SK Creek mine site, the Albino Waste Facility was used by previous operators as a subsea repository for mine waste disposal and included both mine waste rock and mill tailings. Through the first drill-based survey in the first quarter this year, the company has now empirically demonstrated that significant gold-silver mineralization has indeed been deposited at Albino. The area measures almost 129,000 square meters, of which the company has only assayed 5,200 square meters, representing 4% of the area. This first phase of drilling was conducted at staggered intervals of 50 meters from the frozen ice surface. Assay results from the first 4 holes indicate excellent continuity of gold-silver grades both downhole and from hole to hole. Particularly noteworthy are the relatively low mercury concentrations ranging only from 11 to 99 ppm. Skeena is currently planning an expansion of this drill program, which is expected to be completed in the second half of 2021 based on the positive results of the preliminary survey. Skeena is landing hit after hit and is now even finding gold and silver in the historic waste. Well done and congratulations. Fury Gold Mines announced great results from the ongoing resource expansion and exploration drilling program from Eau Claire. Hole 21 EC022 intersected over 23.2 grams gold over 7 meters in the southeastern margin of the defined resource, demonstrating the potential for significant extension of the resource to the east. This intercept represents the 5th best drill result in terms of grade and width of over 900 holes drilled to date at Eau Claire. In light of this result, the Fury technical team plans to continue drilling to the east of the deposit, focusing on the 220-meter gap between the known resource and the Target A plate. Preliminary results from Target A located 200 to 350 meters down dip to the east of the deposit indicated high-grade gold intercepts of 7.1 grams gold per ton over half a meter and over 4 grams gold also over half a meter, intersecting a 5 to 20 meter wide alteration zone along the Eau Claire structure. More drilling is to follow, and it looks very promising as several outstanding holes contain coarse visible gold. In addition to the takeover speculation surrounding Victoria Gold, the exploration season at Dublin Gulch is now in full swing. Exploration schedules have been accelerated ahead of schedule due to the favorable operating conditions, which will result in a longer and more intense program in 2021. The originally planned exploration budget for 2021 has been increased to allow for at least 15,000 meters of core drilling and associated exploration initiatives. Victoria is targeting the delineation of an initial gold resource for this fast-developing, high-grade, near-surface gold deposit. Work in 2020 at Raven has demonstrated consistent gold mineralization across the zone, well beyond areas previously surveyed by drilling. This season is expected to show a significant maiden resource at Raven, which will further extend mine life in the future then. There are currently 4 core drilling rigs on site. In conjunction with the extensive drilling program, a regional exploration program, will also be undertaken in 2021 at the Dublin Gulch Gold Camp, which will include surface trenching, extended soil geochemistry, detailed structural geological mapping, and prospecting work. Victoria Gold is super positioned, has service depth ahead of schedule, and will operate in the 200,000 ounce gold production range this year and produce nice profits. We are very positive on the stock with an initial price target in our point and figure chart of 24 Canadian dollars. Longer term, and with gold prices rising to plus $2,100 per ounce, we see 35 Canadian dollars as a price target. My team and or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.